So the first thing is to peel the bamboo shoot. 最初は、皮から、タケノコを出します。And then cleaning it. Hello everyone, this is Masunga John, and today I am going to show you what to do with the bamboo shoot after harvesting. There are various ways of what you can do with the bamboo shoot after harvesting. 今日はタケノコの刈り終わった後で山から終わった後でどうやってどのやり方とどんな料理作るのビデオ作ります。So the first thing is to peel the bamboo shoot. 最初は皮からタケノコを出します。And then cleaning it. So cleaning and peeling the bamboo shoot. The first step is cutting into pieces. By the way, bamboo shoots are big. You have to cut into pieces like the one you want to eat or the one you want to keep. Right? So, here, the first thing you have to do is cut the one after peeling, you cut. だから今ね、タケノコ刈り終わったら最初のステップはきれいにして、それで食べたいなタケノコ、その時間食べたいなタケノコは作って、でその残りはボイルしなくちゃいけない。ボイルしてで、水に入れて、でその後冷たくなったら、冷蔵庫に入れることできるので、冷蔵庫に入れたら2週間とか2週間までできるからの。じゃないと美味しくならないくなっちゃう。Alright, so after cutting the bamboo tree, bamboo shoot, you have to use the one you want to use at that time. You have to cut and use the one you want to use at that time. And the rest, what are you supposed to do with the rest? By the way, you cannot leave a bamboo shoot for a long time without doing anything with it. First of all, it will lose its taste. It will lose its taste if you don't do anything with it. So, the good way of preserving the bamboo shoot, first, after peeling it and then cut into pieces, use the one you use while it's still fresh, and the rest of it you have to boil, like you can see here. Now I am boiling the rest of the bamboo shoot because this is the way of how to preserve. So after peeling, the next step is to cut and use the one you want to use, and the rest boil it first. So you can see here I'm boiling the rest of the bamboo shoot. Alright, so by boiling it, that means you are keeping the taste of it. You can use it anytime in the future. 1 week or 2 weeks. By the way, you are not supposed to keep the bamboo shoot for very long time. It will lose its taste. だから、これから、ボイルした後、茹でて、で、その後、冷たい水に入れます。Alright? So, after boiling it for like 20 to 30 minutes, 20分、30分ぐらい茹でたら、the next step is to put it into cold water. で、冷たい水に入れて、例えば今は冷たい水に入れて、はい。冷たい水に入れて、そしたら冷たくなる。冷たくなる。So, when you put into cold water, that means after 20 to 30 minutes, the bamboo shoot will cool down and it will be cold. Alright? And when it's cold, then that's the time you can preserve it. You can put it in a fridge and you can wait for 1 or 2 weeks. You can, keep it for 1 or 2 weeks. だから、冷たくなったら、とりあえず冷蔵庫に入れることできる。だから今少し時間待ってて、and you can keep it in a fridge. Right? So that's the way of how to keep, the bamboo shoot in a fridge. Right. Did you enjoy the video? So that's how you can preserve bamboo shoot. それがタケノコのタケノコ狩り終わった後の使い方で、最初は茹でて30分ぐらい、それで水に入れて、でその後は冷蔵庫に入れる。使える分だけタケノコ狩り終わったら食べて、で残りはそんなやり方。Alright, so that was how to preserve a bamboo shoot after harvesting. You eat the one you eat at that time, and the rest you have to boil for 30 minutes and make it cool, and then you can put in the fridge for about 10 days. After that, it's not gonna be yummy after 10 days, so make sure you eat in 10 days. So it's Masunga John, and please subscribe for more videos. Like, comment, and share. Bye for today.
Sorry, it's DJ.